guys, welcome to Pepperina's World. So today I'm finally doing my hair review. This is what my hair looks like with the products, so let's talk about them. First, we're gonna talk about the hydration shampoo. Here it is. The consistency was awesome. I didn't like how much it lathered. It lathered to me way too much, but maybe I put too much. So let me show you a video of me shampooing my hair real quick. Okay, so I did like the feeling of the shampoo. I love the smell, but I just didn't like the lather. To me, it was way too much lather, but I guess since I'm used to like organic shampoos, I'm kind of over the whole lather thing. But I know a lot of people feel when you have that bubbliness, it feels like your hair is really clean, but to me, it just felt like way too much. But that's just my opinion. I don't know about you. Next, let's talk about the heavy conditioner. This stuff was awesome. I can try to show y'all a quick video because I'm trying not to make the video way too long, but I loved it. Let's go to the video and then I'll come back.
Mix it up. I don't know if y'all can see that.
Okay, so I was really happy with the smell, with the texture, the way my hair was silky, and I was already seeing curl definition, and the thickness of it, all that was good. I don't know if it was this one or something else that I saw another YouTuber. Hers came out super thick, but I don't know if it was the heavy conditioner. I don't know. I would have to double check. But anyway, mine didn't come out like hers, but I don't know. Maybe mine was hot compared to hers. Who knows? But I did like the thickness and how moisturizing it feels. And my hair was starting to feel softer when I was in the shower. All that good stuff. I did diffuse my hair, but it came out really frizzy. We'll talk about that later. But I do like the way my curls look. But I want to see another day what it looks like when I just let it air dry naturally, because I'm gonna go to bed. So yeah, I also, of course, after I washed and shampooed and conditioned my hair, of course the only products I have in my hair right now are the leave-in conditioner and the jojoba serum. That's it. I didn't put anything else. This is all that's in it. So I don't know what it looks like to you guys. Like I said, it's a little frizzy, but overall I like the feeling of this, the texture. My hair feels super soft and it smells really good. And of course, like I said, I don't know what my hair will look like when I let it air dry, because my hair is long. But I don't know what it will look like when I just let it air dry naturally. But so far, I'm liking it. I'm gonna use it more. Maybe I'll do another video of my hair just naturally air dry just to show you guys. I can do that if that's what you would like. If that's something you're interested in, leave a comment down below. And if I get enough people, I will definitely do another video. But that's basically everything. I love oh, that's not everything. I forgot. This brush, I know my hair is like already in it, whatever. I used it, duh. So this brush is really awesome. Normally I use a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair in the shower, but this felt awesome. If I can put a clip, I'll put that in there right now. But this comb definitely, well, brush, it made me feel like it separated my strands better and it defined my curls a lot more than when I detangle with a wide tooth comb. Microfiber towel, this, I'm letting it dry, that's why I have it set up like that. this is what made my hair frizzy. So I'll probably just use it for the water to drip down, but I'm not gonna use it to cover my hair unless I'm just gonna go to bed, and I don't care if it's a little frizzy. But other than that, I liked everything. This clip is awesome. Like I showed y'all the other, like today, since I blow dried my hair, it feels super thick and fluffy and all that goodness. So we can show you real quick. It does grasp it with no problem. This is what it looks like. Of course, I put it crooked. I didn't do it perfect. But it grabs all my hair. Ooh, my hair smells good. I don't know if I have a lot more frizziness back there or what. But it's able to grab. Of course, I like a little bit out. I like it messy. Thank you guys for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, hit the bell if you want to get notified for more current up-to-date videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.